Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So this is the Pickman EV truck. It's the classic model and it had a lead acid battery that me and my friend Nikos did a conversion to Lithium at his shop, and this is our first normal test and we will take a look at the car. So this is it. Very simple, very basic. You can see inside just the screen, stereo, and forward and backward. The nice thing about this is that you can open all the sides like this, so it is easier to load the bed at the back. They say that towing capacity is 2 tons at the straight. I really doubt about that. The hinge is not very sturdy, as you can see. I wouldn't trust that to lift such weight. So the car actually has been refurbished. All the chassis has been sandblasted and painted from the start this olive green color, which looks very nice actually. So let's take a look inside. So you get a phone holder. Don't know if we can see the screen here. Very basic, kilometers, volts and battery capacity. That doesn't seem to work. Also it has a rear camera that also doesn't work anymore. So that's pretty much it inside. So here we are driving the Pickman car or truck EV after we did the conversion from lead acid battery to Lithium 4. So the problem, I don't know if the phone is visible, is that we drawn a lot of watts. Για πάτα το μία. So 10 kilowatts at the moment almost. Σήκω λίγο να μας κόψει. And what we need to do is to adjust the speed controller and the settings in order to solve our problem, as the BMS cuts out from over discharge. So we will change the settings using our Bluetooth module and see if that helps. Our settings have worked. The car is a bit slow at 7.5 kilowatts. We are going uphill with about 20 kilometers per hour. I'm going to do a full video about how to set up the controller, how to make the Bluetooth dongle that works in Android or the PC serial connection, and we will take a look at that in a different video.